Fama
na ye pese ye hu se edi enti na enkora nyini a na omo ehwe omo papa mo
na chese omo pro mo maami asem eche omo papa mo
Nana ye knew about doing your mommy no me I forget your papa no but your papa no play a very beautiful role in our lives my dream one na menti ase
na maame fo no show caring more than fathers ti papa no wo ye den maame no obe renew all the time
every do say you develop love in communication with our man
o ye ja I was say otimi ene wo ma e fa na fo e na school fees e fa ma na maame ne se onkonko dua ma abofra no ko so ne maame ne ti bomu nyina akra no okay see impression say e ono na ede
ye so ye the support family ni bia e be man kwala na hu na that be say the maame a e bia na adwom ye ha kakra no wan ko say amaye ma
enyoma bi wo no ma oh ye kra me ma akola no not in the presence of akola
obi ntimi ni ho dance ye nchen se wan kasa obi di ho dance na ye fra say man kwara nte ye ne no mu hu di ha ye ne ya dwen no mu nyini o bitimi na ona
ye ma wo ye papa ai se wo ye papa ane se wo ye ne ye
awamo unya ujini unya umukwa awamo
yabaya
awamo yabaya awamo
unyamo unyawanga
awamo awamo
unyafani unyamomoni awamo
ade
awamo afeyanwa awamo ogunfamai
unya oseba unya ujitra awamo
wadia awamo awamo mutege odu jenegum na chisu kakra awamo
eminti awamo
awano
magba oyo ni de beye emo no
awamo
sunflower
unya umuta awamo
sunflower ni muja ya de awamo sa ni eta na so backyard kitchen
ana komo no wo ena ya baba be no aduane se de edi ka ma monyom no awamo wo se ya ni mai na wo se de ye be ya awamo alongside French ni ka se aloko
amada
chika una the support awamo interview for your ingredient ni ye jana ready my brown sunflower oil ene de be ya awamo ye mamu nyina akwa aba enti me pa cho ye be ya awamo ene ho ne ma bebebe. These are the ingredients. Yes, cocoa supplier and I say can one fine. Mono as the main ingredients. These vegetables are alongside for me, Buana.
yes madam
Corned beef is optional, sardine is optional, but in this and one more, I would like to urge you that if you do not get super cool playing alongside beef, dear, forget Mamo.
yes pakuno we bro for do no
There, call me sister no.
go be sister no
Call me sister Penny.
bro for do no
The natural name no.
super cool
My botanical name no super cool. Why? Yeah, Santa for your friend super cool.
simply put super
And the cool. And it was beef, assorted beef, so
Wow.
I was for as we go, no, the process na the yedin common na enemu. And then many memo and a shower in support no yen yedian, right?
That's right.
Yes.
That's right.
Beauty and the seasoning, okay.
The season.
When you know is to draw attention that if you're a seasoning company you want to join us, you're welcome. What I say? Now, and then there is a topic.
Yeah.
My baby, you know Ediane no na the topic ni shame pacho Ediane no. We also be sensing koko wana be.
Listen. Okay, sense.
O be sensing koko. Okay, I know you wadwuma. Gina ho ye chance. Me ko no wana betwi. Wa, na no twi ma na ye de.
Chio.
Ai. Na no twi bi ma na ye de. Da pastor. Me ba cho wana be wojam. Hi, sir. Tani am commander romanti. You 3 ben our hanuma. You de ba be ye duane no. You McBrown sunflower oil wa ha say. Eno so no. Wo na misle go na tissue house enye na ohokra sana ye grocery club also e bi wo nti fani nyina sha map mu you get the work aswa ye menua Esther Kaduna enterprise can something. Yeah. Esther Michelle and Kumase Abishop. I mean, as we go, you know. I'm for the topic of the day. That was family.
Na ye pese ye hu se edi enti na nkora nyini a na omo ehwe omo papa mo.
Na che say omo pro mo mami asem e che omo papa mo. All right, so simple. Edi enti na ye ma ye wu omo no. Omo do omo mami mo e che omo papa mo. Na omo hwe omo papa mo. Anna, is that the topic?
Yeah.
All right, if that is the soul, then the soul is the soul.
Of course.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Into the whilst everybody, whoever wants to start to talk. Yeah, I'm very special until the process is maybe I want to be boom, my grand sunflower be boom. Now me the super kuno any beef no egum. Me the no gumwa. Mo be ma me jene.
Okay.
Now you the jene ba kwan be twa jene nda kosta.
Okay.
Who banyam bibia until don't worry nda kosta be twa jene. Into no in that note no we have washed our hands. So let's pledge that we pledge to wash our hands on backyard kitchen all the time.
Amen.
Amen. Into I was a for your way and say we idea by Virginia Hay. Papa ya my Jenny no. Namasha say. Into from and one no ever cost us man no. Me de super kuno any toro beef no. And the beko jen we chia usa no when seasoning dada nti yen shara ha no with season na afa ye the jen na den akom na afa ye mo no abem na chia akopem se ye be hu sa chi to the level no na ye nsuo ye den egu but nsuo no na minya nana o be no kettle hot water ama me what a kettle ni si ho e ye jeme bona aha nti no o be no ama na se nsuo no ekọ emu ni mu a emadiane no eye fefefe. All right, topic of the day na dey atodwa why na sha ase amaye
Nana, ye nyi abedo ye maame nom. Me I forget here papa nom. But your papa nom play a very beautiful role in our lives. Fiti e kwala bem. But ye nyi a so say minum de bia ye nyi be play maame nom sem eche ye papa nom. Madwe nwa na menti ase.
ade nti na wadwene one test usa na one test unyini ye
Minyi
abrabo wa wuni wa wari bia so wo mmey
Nana,
relationship na wo no man internet say
bisa me wo say na me maame e ba ne sel ma wabedo me maame eche me papa e kwala bem wo yi mistake obehwe wo.
na
Na ye maame akona wo baby say biscuit bia na ode ama ode adada wo kwako chi na me pechi pa makwako chi ama fie no na papa na hye say wa bo me too much nti ase bro no over me
matter was so first of all, what is a father's duty in a child's life?
Papa should be the one he should be the one guiding you. So papa na eso guide you. Eti ye kwala bem na me ka kwa kwesi so say maame fo no etore bi omutumi kyerɛ odobi ema ye benya odobi de mo ma kyerɛ ye papa no but unyi du ba bia na obehu sɛ na papa wo odo soronko de ma wo kyerɛ wo maame de tia na me ka sa ne sɛ ye me kwala bem sɛ me mistake etse me kochi a se na me ka me kochi ba fie a me papa betuma ka sɛ okay ene na na ya wo ndidi wo fie
Ba
ya ma bo nkotodwe me papa yet so kodware a wo se maame ode aduane afa na chi ode na na dintem kwa me ko se mo papa wi a wo se papa yet so wi pe na kwa me dika ka che ma na ma so na ma sa pja me sa se ne me bua we say punishment no to do say bi am ni mo papa we science bi mo do ne san yo so na ko pe bi di so but na onum se me maame ai den edi kan
where did you that? Until your mother has already won your love here.
Of course. But mama you need me ye. Ana me hu say me mama say de nya oye ni nya wan fa mboa me. Because after mama be see real life. Me hu say me na me ye ni nya na papa opes open ye. Na me papa say me sua enyoma bi wa bontintin na bia bia. Me be fe no no atwema so. Enu tire bia me ye mistake bi obebo me. Na me hu say de kon na me ye na nye but me mama de obebo me natural caring love.
Matawase. What is the father's duty? Especially in marriage.
But
well, what is a mother's duty?
Your Excellency. Father's duty. A feeling of two piece. What summarize here? A two piece. Provision and protection. So I don't so provide a year near my here Ebusian. Tebiane Cribium Madam and other protection a been guidance. So we see they'll say
so train anyway.
No or the grandma dinner. And Tiano, I said the enemy. And I then I said the enemy, and my dear, so old meaty provision now. I was so putting me a step out. Now call hustle, now unya, the more to me a meaty provisions now.
In that case, there be an papa no, won't tell any fee.
Sir, and tobacco. And I ride from Mofasino, Akalana Casano. Or your Majano free washing. A far me. And Nantum moi papa dane, a year kitty. On any maniacs now, on any you on any mamma share emotions is out for 9 months. On any bond, almost full money.
No, yen in time
money one. But I say, and it's our one that's no. And no, sorry, I'm not how much it for 1242. 180.
Time will be the
on in the sa and to on was our bond in any natural. And so now, and we are. And my before no do not answer politicians. I'm no motivation now. A political movement in Guano. Oh, yeah. And then to do say a punish or so by punish it. Never punish on the honor now. No, the budget. What's I say? And to me, say, no, me fear. Won't you mean Cassia apply bonnet to Papa Babato? And then any comes. Look, I saw punishment and son and my background. What's I say? And the Beyonds, you know. Papa for now, Papa will be more. Or the school fees grab the mamma, I mean, I'm a coachia. And till mamma, no coaching, and tell mamma didn't see can and a coach. You upon back as a but they say no, Papa for no be a bank. Yeah, they say, Yamakalai, say, ye. What you say? And those are Papa, that's him, I'm kind of Papa on hell, and as a and then you know, some political aspect now. A man be sure that this your money so say. I want my promise and my son. And on a ma, a bimusha da and bag mafo or can and send for a panel. I know you're not a class, so you'll be able to check the
Matua say.
And I'll tell you now.
Naja say, and Colani Uno say, Mamma no all the time.
Yes.
Mama na yin bag muska not know is a papa no the man kokom into ohun sadia no now mama nyini yenyina wa munna mo woma apart from that nana bra come on
so no
yenya na quick
the way I saw can me supported the asobe but papa for no up to now and that's so cost
say
apalana bana what's a papa for the biggest thinking. Yeah, papa phone, yeah, biggest thinking. It's what banana leisure time now. What think? One akola na de sa community in the baba. Onya papa, hey, go to your mother. Count for. Sa de na wa ye no. Sa scenario kitu emu na wa show ho. Okwa na ma ne be kanefu a. Okanefu a wa show wa gena mother love na wi. Na ma me fo no show caring more than fathers. Me ma me up to now. Say ma me auntie me the whole day. First thing in the morning me hu ko. Now then I'm going to tell you, my neighbor was not I don't know, Fred.
Baby, I mean,
do so. Or say, how dare you at the when you move down? Once that I didn't tell
I can't say, no.
I remember no Bafra. Also, once in a while. Or be so up to me, or be so our bravo, or can't we are fine. Or no way, but my minute every day.
Maybe I'm feeling on.
My minute every day, or check it up on you. Say yes, say no, check it up on you. Or what time, or before we be. Just say, on the more all the time. It's Papa no, we are day. Mamma no, obey you all the time.
Hey, Mama no so how me and not say. Mama, super kuno.
Yeah, I got bad.
Any beef no I actually so combination. Yeah. I say I shakawale any stone ebe num sesi abom. Enti yanchimu ye. Enti yanchim abusafo on this note no. E pese ohu aduane ne ye. Timaduane no yanchim na for the next step I am mono yenya de yemfa into no sabe nana bunsuo synthesis tank nim ko mono kama ko mienu miensa nice one all right abusafo adwechana na egusu aye chewa na ebi enti na ye ma no omu do omu maame eche omu papa one nkasa ye
Me.
you know talk.
Yeah.
At this moment I'm putting my rice in the oil as in the fried beef and then super cool. We're alongside the onion. So we fry this all together for some minutes. So let's go.
Okay, Her Excellency, my opinion natural.
Nana Bejugum.
Natural feeling. Because she said I saw baka akolano 50 time now my friend say
family
mojatoa ne mama yem no opie kra ba kra yesansu twa ne umbilical cord no which connects on ne mama no
I make a point no.
Yes, it is a feeling no dear a natural feeling.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll pick it from this point.
Yeah.
You guys have children. Everyone here has children.
Right.
Apart from my nanas.
Yeah.
Which he says this year Obenyim will be back. And I also be one and I also say
Last year kind.
Samaware no.
Obawano.
Meware.
Aha. Oh nana yo yan kan fa mu ni nyina be do year. Okay, o de nya we be fa. Aha. Obawaye no.
Meware no.
Okay. Enti no nana se na mo ma na mo plant se mo bewo na mo gina e ka se mo maame mo e na dwene mo ho che mo papa mo ama admit ye no. What are the changes you are making in terms of say wo be sense ade no e wo life wo set up kakra no ye no ma no. What is the connection?
Okay, I want to remember.
Now ade na mo ya even though akola no be do maame said them, but I know some girls can say my mom is everything to me, but my dad, me say Nana Ama na mo akra e ka papa asem e say o maame de o ye bibia but o kwanim ye kra no na o papa hu wanye gidigidi o te na say ono papa o connection bi. So before the mother got to know, the daddy knew already. What I say. So some fathers are doing that. What are you guys complaining going to do?
Yeah, I want to say yes, see, I mean, you love language, you know. Generation was yes, son. Yes, you know. Now, a fire who's a canon. A fire now a faso, and the a choir now a faso, the tenant in prayer, and a faso trade. But you say, if you young and wide, a bread you say you develop love in communication with our man. And then Casabian would find or song and travel. I was saying, I'm France yet and I see. They say no. My own who said, Bema, who said, we finish and having Jack from finish person on any state. Said a man, 40 million crown connected. And woman, you know, who say, oh, man, I was here saying, among 18 years connected. When they are crying in common. Manu who
Nana McBrown Musana.
You baby now Otiano cram and who didn't tell you
are the Kafraka Kramame, huh?
Then say, oh, I didn't really why I'm for the but I just if you have been was saying. But then I'm not here for her. You really intimate sound from no meaning come. Okay. I also with the Bunkum back where I wouldn't if I think fair. Now, timid developers are the animal who say, the make papa be here and you can own the man or don't a woman. You fancy any como. You fancy expressing repeat, I don't know, you're starting terminating in a bit me up wine. And here one key idea, Mimigina. You develop, they improve your communication with our children. Okay. And very important.
Yeah, I side with the in your kind. Oh, yeah, John. I was say, Utimi and Oma, a fan for. What's I say? I say, Utimi no Mudiako. Help me, Makai, me should number upon them about boy, about 1 or Bohan, my bar. And it's Missing no. My try as much as possible say, me no Mudia rob, some more.
I tell Mamma.
Oh, me a comedian of fear, me be out. Eh, I'm over Bano, me my matrimoniama, me no Gianni Momudi, me fra. You know,
Papa walk around the banyan who knew this.
Yes, but me, my yesterday way na omuni, and I'm school near my so money here. Say my baby feel my breast then I'm cassa omuhiam wow.
Tissue and I
no can, twice na. Now, my child, they saw them out.
Oh, me a kitchen boy.
Oh, okay.
To saw them out. Because I'm a Hunzian. Come here, many Come here, and cook my ballet to cook at any moment. I'm on. The best of moons and law. Next, I said that I'm so anymore. And whenever you go out there, I have to get time to listen to their whatever. Say yes, and yet then I will listen. Only listen, now. Other cars, who said you show consent or appreciate you. And you know, I don't know, ma, so bond in there. Oh, and to be the same name and bantam with ye. Okay, so we choose so many men, I bear them because we try to be friends with them, we try to read their.
Okay. Nana says you never have waiting there.
Yeah, I say yes, I never come in enough for me. Almost a Saturday, yes, I am. You know, our time in there, fathers, you know, we have really learned and we are working hard to become the best.
Okay. Yeah, once I saw my cancel, you bet to me, I can't fa single mothers raising children.
Yeah.
Tobo, hey, what's that? No, Nana, yes. Sabi also no na there ya bobo say ase ni nyina afim. Na ye man ho be 2 minutes ne ka nche na nfe. Enema na egum no misuro kra sa nche ni betwam.
Say o da point to mention na.
Mentumi nche. This woman na ya lower no. Me pa mo chawo. My next question is, I know, sir, a lot of people here, you are married, but you have a child.
Yeah.
And the mother is...
Baby father.
You have a baby mama.
Yeah.
He's a baby father.
I'm a baby father.
You're a baby father. You've never been married to her, right?
Right.
It was a relationship, na baby free mobile.
Patrol.
Okay, nice one. Now, the advice we should be giving to fathers in general. It doesn't matter whether you are still in the marriage or you are a baby father or you are a divorcee, whatever. It's still your father. Your duty.
Yes,
it's still the fatherhood that you belong.
Yes. And to Oma divorce abemu. And I said ni
baby mamas no.
No.
Single.
Omo kwa so me very serious. Akola ni school akọ. Ka wa say o unya say ewo mu na o contribute greatly ewo mu.
Yeah.
And then or some school no headmistress, the teachers any mu say akola ni papa dey.
Okay.
What I say PTA eso an. Omo dey say o be tire for PTA na ma abofra no.
Okay.
Because ma me on na tifie. It omo dey say o ko PTA no. And na school fees and from ma me say on ko dua ma abofra no. Because ne ma me tibo mu nyina akra no. Okay, see question say e oro na dey. Sana for money be there at here. And then you would only jam money will be only there. So what is supposed to now put your fees.
Now me Jane no for
Jane
for Kosiano. Said on penon. Open to some waiting the Biafra. I am over home. Unamo amakosi ameko
unya sadi unya paya
chop money ni biye mon ko machi awrade shira so amen na che won mai amen ya che ya dwene won ko ma ye die hui ya what bare 10 minutes to share our mind, our opinions, and also our this thing, advice and everything. Awrade te ho ne shira so ma adum amen
and when we against the Valentine what you say
che say sabre no ye ni abrepa ni ye tete ye di
don't cry
when you be okay now so nice ho
we the machan papa bu the one you do
we dey koyi papa
ene oni mami nya Ako said dia. Ni hama crew na esa mbabo ya. Aha, oso mpe sardine, ti hana sardine.
Yeah, hana sardine.
Awuzafo. Ni e kan say.
Tabase na hana sardine.
Edien pa na ye secret no. Emma ye do ye maame mo chen ye papa. Anya ba be su say, dia na mo ye. Mo de su samu. Ama obe feel say me maame de. Oye bibi ama me de but me papa de me nchia na. Me papa is different. Edien na mo ye.
Nana, yeah, and say this na you to school fees am. You go school mo go tua, na e mani hu say.
Daddy be
Yeah, you school fees. You chop money so. You money mo say that na chop money. Bibi e fa nkola no bi e ma nkola no ye nkola communicate no say yen papa for no. Yes, we play a very good role in their lives. Unlike before now, your papa no dey on me realize say juma nko me ko no me ba no. Yeah, this time yeah, I just say enu nya ka ho bi na ye ni odo de ma your papa no. It's this time no dey. Nye so ye dey support family ni bia ye be ma nkola na hu na that bi. Say the mama a e bia na adwum ye ha kakra no. Wan ko say ama ye ma. Tina no bi say me dey na me so me ye no.
Yo. Say any school fees nko a ena me hu say o do oba o. Me kan dollar. Oba to baby to baby. Edien na o kan che baby mamas. Any baby daddies.
Method so munya abotre. Politics no munya politics no. Now they should stay real to their children. You understand? It never be what hanuma.
Otu ni e kan say we otu obu ho no maami no inside ten kola no mo tam.
Yeah, instigation no yeah too much because at the end of the day ABR. So relationship no anko year. Eto de bia. Ehon eya o ne ebufuo no. Omutimi de ma like omutimi de insight in kola no. Towards papa no. Especially arguing in the personal feelings so at the other back. Only Bema Entokwana has got nothing to do with
Akolano. So learn that the whole limit.
The whole limit. It never be one man. Oh yeah, ma Akolano and not in the presence of Akolano. And it depends so because baby mama is no be one, need baby dad is no be one man. They ended in a good note on a good note. Ebi mo di ano di or tiny I mean be more or into a balance and that's almost insight.
Are you on a very good with your baby mama?
Me because you're too good, sir.
Do what I can tell on your day. On your baby.
On your chair.
Talk to her.
The DI about chair. So, yeah, about
so yeah, you are from with them.
Oh, me, yeah. Me, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, me, yeah.
Now, what? Yo.
Yeah.
Are you not say? Not say they say Unyan Shan saying
Baby mama.
Oh, baby mama, no. I mean, I never.
Oh, I remember. And that's what you're now.
Advance notice.
Me the baby ada na ko.
Well, now no papa fine.
You papa no fine.
So now. And we are required to go to sister me come and for about. Okay, now what's that? A football mama. Hi. Money on one eye do.
Jema kan say.
Anwamo.
Le ma ya yonko fa. Aye ne nkora no wo no. Enye kese. Obi ntimi ni ho adanse enchen se wa akasa obi di ho adanse.
Okay.
Nti ye ne nkora no nya yonko fa. Na ye fra se ma nkora no nte ye ne. No mu hu ide ha ye ne ya dwene. Omo ni o bitime na ona.
Papa bi o tu kan fefi. Afa man ne man tenene. Well, last word.
Ogane na de. Nti Nyankopon mbo na obi abrabo anya de. Ti se de anya ye di.
Allah.
Na papa fo a yaba. Ye ma wo ye papa, ai se wo ye papa. Ane se wo ye de ye papa. Nti ne papa ne se we wasade. 1 provision, 2 protection. Sanema o ya. 1 kasano Nyankopon sha. Nti number 5 no so.
And reduce overprotection.
Yeah. Overprotection. Abibia over crime yet. I did the ice over like over. I said, "You need to know about me. I'm born a bar, so I can go."
Oh, wow.
The bar. You know about the bad area.
Okay.
Be asked. I want to.
Aye. Yo, what's up for? And then me, boys, men, come on, ever see ye. Say, or don't I have way near my mental. And tell me, yes, I feel no about say papa because Mother's Day, cry, DJ Father's Day.
Correct.
Until Munyam Why?
Yeah, my sister.
Munyam Wadma, oh, beer. No about any interruption, and pato. No banner, Menyakitan with you, acquaint in name. No, I'd have put on no son of a den back school every morning and son of a conejuma. If you find a papa to a Juma permit too, sir. Oh, mammy.
Grandma mentioned
No, I'm
sister.
saying, but I'm here every day. No, they are me damn partners, man. They be asking me,
What did Chronicle school?
the bad boy. On 2 more years, so on 2 more years, teacher was asking for school. On 2 more years, I'm preparing for school.
I just said, papa.
Send carrying me via.
Sir?
I'm really the one that goes to solve for class 1. Son of what did and then is the house to the school.
Into more good relationship.
Oh,
So they can comedian on the house.
oh, the bonding is there.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
I was have one idea this year. Said they don't know that I'm the Medina. You're not the any. Now I feel so you're quite one 10 years for Jane and Catoni be a free rubber. Into no Cassania, no money. Oh, good fellow. King Gada.
Yeah, man.
My grandbrother. I obey for about now say.
Allah.
Mr. Da Costa. And I sorry about AKA. Above these. Somewhere.
Yeah,
Okay.
somewhere.
If you ever say, I can't say, I saw my MC 2 pence yet. We know. About our end from my Eddie man. I was have one. Every shall out chance. Come here, come when you show time. Backyard kitchen, every friend to me, we get to every to me, my mini Bibia. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, we are corner. I have a view of you, Pepe. Yeah, that's it. Don't forget that this is my social media page. Apart from this, I don't have any other. If I do have, I'll let you know. Until Pacho, I will share you.